Hey yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's King Bro coming back at you again with another And right now in America, it's a very trying time, man. A lot of people have lost their jobs. A lot of people have to double up on their side hustle, doing whatever they can to make a little extra money. Some people's income has been cut in half. Some people lost their whole source of income. But it's my job to make sure that you guys know that there are still ways that you can still be secure in the bag, even while you're at home, even while it's quarantine. There are 6 ways that I know of from home that you guys can make a bag and make sure that you can continue buying whatever clothes, shoes, paying bills, buying whatever hair products you need to make you happy. Let's get into it. So the first way that you can secure a bag is to first make sure you enter my $100 giveaway. Yes, I'm giving $100 out on May 30th via Cash App, and all you have to do is 3 very simple things that won't even require you to get up from the couch or chair that you're sitting on right now. All right, all you have to do is, number 1, make sure you're subscribed and comment down below King Me. Okay, make sure you subscribe, comment below King Me. Second, go over to my Instagram @_KingBrill, and then all I need you to do is follow me. The third thing is simply to just take a screen record of this video and then post it on your Instagram story. Make sure you tag @_KingBrill, which is my Instagram, and make sure you hashtag give me the money. And I'm not talking, this is not Ebonics. I need you to GIVE, spell it all the way out. Give me the money, all right? Give me the money. THE. Give me the money. Once you do those things, you'll be eligible for my $100 raffle, which I'm giving away on May 30th. Make sure you tag me. I will be picking one of you guys at random, and just understand I'm picking from Instagram. So when I follow the person on Instagram, I'm gonna see what they did. I'm gonna check and see if they're one of my subscribers, and if they're not, they're probably not gonna get. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment King Me, make sure you do all those steps, and you can be eligible for my $100 giveaway, which is happening on May 30th. Number 2, the second way I know of that you guys can secure a bag while sitting at home watching TV on your couch is to participate in online product testing and online surveys. Yes, you can get paid for doing online surveys, and I've seen best case scenario somebody getting paid an extra $250 every month just from doing online surveys. And if you're sitting at home during quarantine, you have nothing better to do but to secure the bag. So let's make sure that you secure the bag. Down below, I'm gonna list a couple of websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkies. Give you tons of money just to sit at home and fill out different question surveys, answer different questions, test different products, and give product reviews. But this is a fairly easy way that requires almost no mental capacity to do at home. All right, and remember, you guys can make up to about $250 a month, if not more. That's just the most I've seen. But just by doing surveys, man. How much easier does it get just to fill out surveys and get basically a new pair of shoes every month? Your shoe game is gonna be crazy, all right? All right, the third place for you to secure a bag this summer is to make sure you invest in Cash App stock. And I know you're probably sitting at home like, man, I don't understand stocks. I don't have a stock broker. I don't know anything about the stock market or anything about business. How can I invest into the stock market and not be a fool and lose my money? It's very easy. The point of stocks, to make money or profit off stocks, is to buy low and sell high, okay? Buy low, sell high. Buy something for cheap and sell it when it's more valuable so you can make more than what you put into it in the beginning, okay? And if we look at the economy right now, it's a time period where not many businesses are open, which means their stocks are going down, all right? That means one small tidbit of that company is worth, let's say, $10, okay? For example, that company's small stock is worth $10. If you were to buy this company for this small part of this company for $10, let's imagine in 3 months, if everything's back running, they're making more business, this small piece of the company will be worth way more than $10. But that means you can turn around and sell it for, $15, $20, $30. Who knows? It all depends on what stock you choose. And let's be honest, if you have an extra $10, $15 sitting in your Cash App, it's only going to be $10, $15 there. So, this is the best opportunity for you to make money without having to do anything. This is literally the definition of make your money work for you. If you're willing to put a lot of money into it, then you'll probably get a lot of return out if you do the right thing. But if you only put, $5 in there, you can expect to make 50 cents, $1, $2. So, you can definitely do that and still make, enough to eat a cheeseburger every day. But if that's all you want, that's all you need. If you just want enough to buy hair products, you put a little bit more in. Not a lot, but you put maybe $20, $30 in. That'll make you an extra $6, $7 if you know when to take it out, when to keep it, and you just watch the trends. You don't have to be super knowledgeable about doing anything in business. You don't have to understand anything about having a stockbroker or anything about the stock market. Just put your money in where you think companies are gonna be low at, and then when you think they're gonna raise up, sell it. Now, I will say, forewarning, there's been an old folktale that says don't put any money into stock that you're not okay with losing, okay? So don't put your life savings into the stock market, because you could buy $5 million worth of this stock in a company. And if that company goes bankrupt, your $5 million worth of stock is gonna depreciate to about, it could $0, you know what I'm saying? But let's say you put $100 into this company, and when things get back right after coronavirus, they're worth triple of what they're worth. You literally just made $200 and you have $300 versus you put it 100 in Cash App stock, basically. Okay, number 4, the fourth way that you guys can secure the bag at home is to do exactly what you're doing right now. Watch YouTube videos. Yes, you can get paid from watching YouTube videos, but not only can you get paid from watching YouTube videos, you can get paid from movie previews. You can get paid from watching TV commercials, any of the sorts. If you use a company like Swagbucks, they'll literally pay you just for your attention and to look at something. Like, you're doing it right now for free. No one's getting paid here except me, but you can get paid for watching from your end by just going to Swagbucks and filling out one of the surveys and literally just watching what you are already doing. So you're literally gonna be doing the same thing that you're doing to make money watching YouTube, but you'll make money while watching YouTube. The 5th thing you guys can do to make money. This one is kind of limited to my more digitally creativity subscribers. Sell your services on Fiverr. If you can, do cool designs, make cool flyers, edit videos, Fiverr.com is a place where you can literally sell your videos. There are tons of people, businesses, YouTubers who will pay you to edit their videos, make their flyers, all on Fiverr.com. And the better you are at it, the more you can easily get paid at it. So all you have to do is go literally fill out an account on Fiverr, and they'll find people for you to literally do work with. Resources like Fiverr and Upwork, you can literally be a graphic designer or a YouTube editor or whatever you want to be in terms of that space. You can draw cartoons, whatever ideas you have. I think there's even like a songwriting category on Upwork and Fiverr. Almost anything that you can possibly do creatively, you can get paid to do for somebody else. So, I don't understand why you wouldn't want to do it if you're creative. Next topic, okay. The 5th way you can make money at home is selling your shoes. Yes, you can literally go in your closet, take a good picture of your sneakers that you have at home and put them on eBay, put them on Instagram even, Facebook, Twitter, anything like that, and literally sell them. So that's called selling sneakers. But the second part to the 5th way that you can make a bag and secure the bag at home is sneaker flipping. Shoe selling, you're just looking to make a quick buck. You're probably gonna end up losing money in the end because you might pay $150 for a pair of shoes and sell them for $80. But if you need that quick $80, you can sell those and actually get the cash. But sneaker flipping is focused mainly on making a profit. Let me tell you how. So let's say you take something that might be going for something wild. Now, let's take these, for example. You go buy these out of the store. These just dropped. You go buy these out of the store from, let's say, $175, all right? And then you literally sit on them. Well, not sit on them, not literally sit on them, but you hold them in your closet, don't wear them, and just wait for the value to go up. And then you can end up selling these for about $225, $250, depending on what release you're getting. So that being said, you buy them for $175 and you sell them for $250. You've literally made a $75 profit, which literally means that you turned your $175 into $250. And what you would do in a smart situation as a sneaker flipper, if you want to continue seeing your bag get bigger and bigger, you take that $250 and then you go buy something a little bit more expensive, like maybe a pair of Yeezy Boost or something like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I reference Yeezy so much. I've been looking at that pair online and it's been kind of like stuck in my head. You go buy a pair of Yeezys or maybe a pair of foams or maybe even a pair of Air Maxes. With that probably, yeah. So you literally buy a pair of sneakers, $250. And what you do is you wait for the value to go up. You check websites like StockX.com. And back when I was younger, it would be sites like, Flight Club and 23 is back. I'm not sure if people are still buying from those sites now. You check one of those sites for the going rate, and you'll literally sell what was a $250 shoe for maybe $400. And now you've turned your $175 into $400. And what someone smart would do is now, hey, I got $400. Now let me buy a pair of shoes for $200 and buy another pair of shoes for $200. You know, you sit on them, you wait for the market to kind of raise up the price. You wait for people to kind of, you know, the value to raise up. And then you would sell that pair of sneakers for $275 and this pair for $250. And now you're getting to the point where you have almost $1,000. Like, all you have to do is keep flipping these sneakers. And if you like sneakers, you like basketball, this is, you know, it takes a little bit of thinking, a little bit of research, but if you like shoes already and you're at home during quarantine, yeah, what else are you doing? And the last way that I think that you guys can really secure a bag is to simply use this website called usertesting.com. And you're doing something simple, like you can literally make like $20 in like 10 minutes or $10 in 20 minutes, depending on, you know, how quick you are with it. But literally you're just basically getting hired by different businesses to check on the website and make sure it's fully functional. So they give you a task like, hey, you know, you get $10 if you can go to the comment section on our website. So you go to the comment section and say, hey, I had an easy time finding this, or I had a hard time finding it. And what this does is it helps them improve their website, because they don't necessarily have the time to check every nick and cranny of a website. But you, as somebody at home who has nothing to do right now, you can easily just surf their website and get paid to do it. Say, hey, you know, you probably should fix this screen right here, or it was pretty difficult for me to find this, you know, about us section. Just go to usertesting.com and you can get paid $10, $20 per task. Literally, if you sit at home and do this all day long, 8 hours a day, like a real job, Jesus Christ, you probably make somewhere $100, $200 a day. And you take that $200 a day and you buy a pair of Jordan 1s. And then you flip them. And then while you're flipping and selling those, you can do a couple more surveys on Survey Bucks, on Swag Bucks, you know. And then you shout King Brill out on your Instagram and you get that $100 from King Brill if you win the survey. And then you literally just put all that money together and just buy more sneakers and flip those sneakers. And then you spend more time doing that, and you gonna have a bag, man. I suggest you implement all 6. Just me being, you know what I'm saying, me being me. I'm a bag chaser. I hope you're a bag chaser. These hair products are not cheap. So, but of course you're you. So just picking one, maybe seeing what that's like, really feeling what the money is like, and seeing what you can do. But just realize, man, it's the time to hustle, not the time to complain or cause a rustle. So make sure to subscribe, comment, like this video. Keep your eyes out for that giveaway, because I will be announcing the winner on May 30th, and I'm not playing with you. Get your cash apps ready. Some lucky person is getting $100. And this is King Brill, back with another video. Peace.